Okay, I think I'm gonna plant these part back. I think I took off all the turmeric that I could take off. See? So I think I'm gonna plant. I don't know if I should. I'm trying to remember what I did the last time. I planted these back. If I had cut off the these parts, the stalk, the branch, I don't know, the tree part, and then just plant the roots and then see. Cause the last time I planted them, I think I had, I don't know, I don't remember if I honestly I cut them off, but I didn't expect them to come back, and then all of a sudden I don't see them start springing back up. So maybe won't do anything. Probably they will just dry up, the leaves will just dry up, the stalks will just dry up, and then they will just come back. So I'm gonna plant these back because hey, they are very good. I love turmeric and ginger tea. So hopefully next year again we will harvest some more turmeric. All right, later. Bye bye.